Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Yeah, me come back again to finish off my little drama. Cause I pay bus talk go on and me fed up to hear the bus talk. Me go about the place, yeah. Me go over Canada, me go down a Porty, me go over where else me go? Me go over the fence, me look to me go about the place, yeah. But me not talk about that to them, put that on the back burner. Me talk about that another day. Me want to finish off where we left off yesterday. Because me ain't get to finish talk. Me remember say me not fi chip. Yeah. Because me hear door open and somebody in come in and me no want to hear with conversation. So no members say members only again. Members, subscribers only. Me soon give thumbs up and somehow no prescribe. If you want to prescribe. But as me say, we no can't just come out and go away so. Yeah man, go away me call you. Can't just come out and go away so. We no come put on a thumbs up man. More thumbs up than that. But anyway, yeah, when we did left off now, I think we did get up to the green card, yes. Say, she married for the green card, yeah. And then, man, and I look up at me here too. Allegedly, yeah. Say, I hear, say, so nobody say me say, I know me see so. A Rasta, say so. A Rasta lady over so Rasta for life. When I go check it out, because I don't want nobody say me say. So, she said, they married for the green card. And then she said, I'm going to go on holiday together, Cab and Lolo. I'll go on holiday together, yes. And that she said. But yesterday, me go back for see me can get a little bit more from the Rasta shop. But the shop shut. So, and me go over drama, man. Me no hear nothing over there, lock up, proper lock up. All day, me no see no movements over there. So, me no know what go on over there. Anyway, yeah, so, what me want to talk about now? So, we say no. You see, when me look over the fence, me hear them attack. And it look like, say, them watch the Rasta woman video because them attack, say, that, somebody has, them attack about crack, yeah, and thing, and all the people, them not smoking in the yard, and them not this, and them not that. I'm thinking to myself, though, these people are so they're hypocritical, ain't they? Hypocrites, yes. See the hypocrites, them a go along there, because them a talk one different talk in the morning. I don't know what they talk last night still, because they talk one in the morning when a devotion, and then they talk something else at night. So I could have different talk, then talk in a morning thing me listen to. And Rasta, when me see her, me and I go in a trouble, because she make me go talk things yesterday. I me no know, because me hear them Bob ring up over there. Bob ring, boom, Bob ring up over there. And Bob attack and Bob saying couldn't look upon her like that. But she ring him phone and in their work. And he said people say him not work. But it kind of want to look like say you not work, Cab. Because you fit up on the phone so all the time. And as soon as she ring you pick up. That looks suspicious. But anyway, what me I go say no? Bullies not like when other people bully them, They don't like me did want something like that before. They don't like the taste of them one medicine. Because now you can tell them feelings and they feel upset. Why the Rasta for life attack say. So them upset about it. And the lady attack said the people now have nothing foreign for do and all kind of thing and so forth. So and that me get. But them writing one name all the time when other people say something about them, they don't like it. But me I like, my life go down memory lane last year. When the husband him come in and tell her if you go wash up a dirty plate them. Because somebody put something in the comment section yesterday to say, a plate them must have pile up and so and this and that and so. And if you spend so much time on the social media, where you get time to do things for your family and even spend quality time with your husband and you have grand picnic too. You must have, you're there, where you even get time for sleep too. And so let's just unpick this little bit. Me not say, but I go say, me say, she married for green card, and the lady sister attack when me here. So but I go say, me say, because I know when the people run and mix up. So a drama me I do, and attack. But let's go back to the green card business now. When me see her go on holiday last year and she show off the passport, it looked like she just get her passport. Because that's what it seems to me, because people when have passport don't show it off like that. So me I wonder say, if I true, say she married to the man for the green card and she just get the passport. because the passport thing that show off. She, you know, when somebody, we used to call them frightened Friday, and frightened. Yeah, so she not show off the passport. But anyway, let's put the joke aside now. These people that are married to people just for papers, it's not a good look. Because when you're married to people for papers, whether the man rich or in poor, you are a young woman, where you, if you're a young somebody and you want salt, yes, you want salt, you eat salt. Some hear the lady call it salt. So you don't know me talk. And you can't get no salt. You have to go somewhere else, go for salt in it. So, me I wonder if why the lady talk about the salt, say she in love with the man. If it goes off it true. Because the man say wouldn't look on her like that. So, you know, these people are smart, narrow-minded. But maybe she look on him like that because she want a little salt. Anyway, yes, so people need to think about these things when you're just marrying for papers, yeah. And from last year, I didn't hear about this basement story. I don't know if it's true or a false, but your man, you're there with your husband, and him gone to bed, and you downstairs in a basement, I keep life, depend people name. Every day you depend somebody name and you talk up whole heap of things. And now somebody come out and I talk up things. You don't like it. So I thought me get funny if you say me no understand. Me no understand it, but me no feel say this person is happily married as she trying to make out. And she try to prove things to people so she happily married. See what my husband buy me, see what my husband, and me not have to say what my husband buy me, my husband not buy me, because I that me say my husband fi buy me things, my husband fi take me on holiday, and them something there in fi do. Me not frightened when fi tell people. Me not fi tell people. If somebody say, oh you going away for your birthday? Yeah, maybe you might say, yeah, my husband taking me away, but you know, if you come on social media, come spell it out, say, look what my husband, oh, my husband just come with this for me, and my husband will come with that. And last year when he run or the year before, if you go wash up a dirty plate them, you can kind of see, say, she kind of afraid of him, you know. I don't know, some of them probably not remember, but me remember when he run her. And sometimes you wonder, really, put fun a joke aside, if it's the case, women that are married for papers sometimes, I mean, know somebody who it did happen to, and these men, the older man them, then can be very, very controlling when you marry them for papers, and then can be abusive too. I mean, know somebody happened to, you know, yeah, a couple people happened to, and then get controlling too, because true, they can't do nothing, you know what I mean, they can't give you no salt, you can't go nowhere, you become prisoner in your own yard. And that me see sometimes with them kind of things there. So people no need to think about these things. When you're not going in a relationships for the wrong reason, because you can become a prisoner and become very, you know, it can become very sad for one or two. And that's why me I wonder, if me I wonder, me not say I saw it go. So no but I go talk, so me say, say she married for green card. Me just I use it as an example because of that me here at top and over by the shop, the Rasta shop on the street. So me just I use it as a little example, say, you know, people can get into an abusive relationship because they marry for papers, and when a man is much older than them and then can't get salt and thing, the woman are going to look elsewhere and the man are going to get jealous because he might go think that he can't, you know, supply the salt, and when she not look elsewhere, when she not look for no salt nowhere, they might go think say they might look salt. So that me just think comfy talk about, because afterward me thought, you know what, you know, and this is it really, that the metaverse out there put out a lot of things too, and this is always say that people might become controlled by the tube. Yeah, when me say I go up on the tube, people might get controlled by the tube and then talk up a lot of things, social media, and then talk up a lot of things, and then after a while people start to believe it, because the way people say me know this person and this person tell me this and right. So but when you go up on social media like that with your family and your business, this is what happens as well, that people start to talk your business and talk up the things them. And that me I go say, me don't talk. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.